Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to download images from Google Docs and you can save it in your computer and you can reuse for your another project. So guys, let's start with the video. I'm going to show in my desktop. So let's go on Google Docs. So guys, I am already open my Google Docs here and I have one image here that I want to download or I want to save it my in computer. So guys, here you can use one trick to download for all images from Google Docs. So just go to the file and download as a web page. Okay, so yeah, it is downloaded now. Just click on or go to the folder where you have downloaded. Now just right click on it. I create new folder to show you properly and just move it to into it. And now just right click on it and unzip, or you can extract this file here. So this file will be extract. Now you can see there is a folder, you can see the images folder, and in this folder you will find all images all images from this docs. Okay, you can see I have seen all images from this docs file. So now I can open it, I can I can use it. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.